The Christian community is one of the most peace-loving communities, and when they are targeted, and you ask me a question about the Prime Minister going to various churches, I want to know, has he visited any of those churches, almost 300 of those churches which have been burnt down in Manipur? The way people of the Northeast are treated in the BJP rule in a place like Delhi, which is the capital, these rend your heart. The fact is that when people barge into the homes of Christians, when there are cases on false allegations of forceful conversions, and cases are filed on pastors, who is responsible? And what is Mr. Modi saying today? He's the Prime Minister of this majestic country. And when he is the Prime Minister and he says he is one of the most powerful, and his party men say that he is the most powerful in the world, he cannot stop these fringe elements from attacking Christians. And today, only for a photo op does he visit and does he make these statements. Because the data which a previous panelist was mentioning has been collected by United Christian Forum, UCF, and they have clearly mentioned all those cases where the Christians have been denied access to water from community water sources like tube wells, etc., where dead Christians have been refused burial, where they have had to be cremated forcefully by these people. Who are these people? These are BJP ruled states that we are talking about. The UCF has reported that in 19 of the 28 states of India, the Christians are being selectively targeted, discriminated against. And the violence is not restricted, in some remote area. I live in the capital of Uttarakhand, Dehradun. And I have heard of instances which have been reported where people have barged into people's homes. And I know that the Christian community is scared. They are totally intimidated. So what were we talking about when we were talking about
Rohan Gupta, then the Prime Minister. Sure. So then Rohan Gupta, the Prime Minister.
Just a second, Poonam. He should remember that the 1971 war took place so that the condemnation, the discrimination, the violence against the minorities, the Hindus and the Christians in Bangladesh would stop. Has he forgotten that?